The Levine Cancer Institute is days away from its grand opening. The new state-of-the-art facility will be able to help thousands more people who are battling cancer.
And tonight we are getting a behind-the-scenes look at everything that's inside. Here's NBC Charlotte's Mike Hansen with the sneak peek.
It's about the quality of the care.
The building is new and ready to serve twice as many people as before. But Derek Raghavan with Atrium Health says it is the oncologists or experts who will work here that makes the Levine Cancer Institute special.
So we've brought the better part of 80 pretty well-known oncologists to work here. Even though this is a fabulous building and a great place to have as headquarters, we've actually invested more in developing cancer institutes around the Carolinas.
Atrium Health says the new building will hold more clinical trials. Also, patients won't have to travel as far. It's all part of their commitment to overall patient care.
Do you look after people well? Are you kind to them? Is the food okay? Do you explain yourself?
40 navigators will guide patients along their journey.
Everything needed is on site.
Atrium Health says each patient will receive specific targeted treatments down to the molecular level by bringing the research labs to where the patients are.
And those laboratories include a molecular biology core facility, which has top-of-the-line instrumentation.
Experts and the tools they need to fight cancer, all to speed the healing process. Reporting near Uptown, Mike Hansen, NBC Charlotte.
The Levine Cancer Institute will also include a chapel inside.
The grand opening set for later this week.